Welcome to this week's Monday Minute with Fishers of Men. We recently held our year-end celebration for the volunteers of the Evangelistic Medical Mission Caravans. The caravans simply would not exist without a body of nearly 100 volunteers who throughout the year dedicate their time and their talents as doctors, nurses, optometrists, hairstylists, dentists, physical therapists, and so much more to God's service through the caravans and meeting people's physical needs so that they have the opportunity for their spiritual needs to be met also. So many of those volunteers joined us for our year-end celebration where we had a wonderful time of great food and fellowship, played some games together, received an incredible training from some young high school students from a Christian high school in Veracruz about the 5 dysfunctions of a team that are going to serve us in this coming year as we seek to serve the Lord in an even more effective and God-glorifying way. We also had the opportunity to honor some of our volunteers, including Dr. Escamilla, who played a key role for decades on the caravans as one of our lead physicians. And at the end of the evening together, we were able to reveal the calendar for the 2026 Evangelistic Medical Mission Caravans. So come along with us and share with us what a wonderful evening we had together.